In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for sales. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to make the most out of its features, this guide will help you navigate the essential tools you need to drive your sales process efficiently. Let's start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the left sidebar of your dashboard. You'll notice a series of options, but for now, focus on finding the More button. It's a crucial step because it leads you to the additional features you might not see at first glance. Go ahead and click on More. Now that you've clicked More, navigate to the Sales option. This is where the magic happens. The Sales section is your gateway to a variety of powerful tools designed to enhance your sales strategy. Once you click on Sales, you'll find yourself in the Sales workspace. This workspace is where you can manage deals, track customer interactions, and utilize a slew of sales tools to keep your workflow organized and efficient. Within the Sales workspace, you'll find the Documents feature. This tool is incredibly handy for storing and sharing sales collateral. You can upload important documents such as proposals or marketing materials and share them with your team or clients, ensuring everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. Next, let's explore the Sequences tool. This feature allows you to automate follow-up emails, helping you nurture leads without the manual hassle. By setting up sequences, you can ensure no lead falls through the cracks, maintaining consistent communication with your prospects. Moving on, the Forecast tool is a fantastic way to predict your sales performance. It provides insights into your sales pipeline, helping you understand where you stand against your sales targets. This feature is crucial for making informed decisions and strategizing future sales activities. Finally, we have the Sales Analytics section. This part of HubSpot CRM provides you with detailed reports on your sales activities and performance. Use these insights to identify trends, measure success, and tweak your strategies for better results. By using these tools effectively, you're setting the stage for a more streamlined and successful sales process. Remember, the key to mastering HubSpot CRM is exploration and practice. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with each feature, and soon you'll be navigating it like a pro. That's it for today's guide on using HubSpot CRM for sales. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident in leveraging these tools to boost your sales efforts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.